16x to the power negative 5 over 6 over 81 square root of x, all in brackets, raised to the power negative 3 over 4. Now once again, the relationship between 16 and x is one of multiply. Okay, and then this is a division line. 81 has a relationship with square root of x of multiplication. Okay, so there's a relationship of multiply and divide between the bases, and then there's a raised to the power negative 3 over 4. So when we then apply this, what we then do is we change our numerical base, which is composite to prime, over obviously this square root of x can be written as x to the power. We change the root form to exponential form. Okay, so that's what we first do. Then after that, we can see that we could, if we wanted to, choose to basically take the 2 and the 3 over 4, raise it to the power 4, and then we could divide the x and the x to the power half, and basically say x to the power negative 5 over 6 minus a half. Why? Because we can basically, when dividing same bases, we can keep the base and subtract the exponent. So this is x to the power negative 5 over 6. We can take this x to the power half to the numerator, which means that the exponent changes to a negative half, and so we can practically keep the base between these two and say minus 5 over 6 minus a half. All right, which is very important. Okay, then for now we can keep the negative 3 over 4 as the exponent. Okay, here we basically took 2 over 3 and we all raised it to the power 4. All right, yeah, so that it can make for easy simplifying. Now if we apply the negative exponent, negative 3 over 4, that's rational, to the 2 over 3, okay, and then the x to the power, that negative 5 over 6, that gives us negative 16 over 12, okay, which is very important, negative 16 over 12, okay, but that is all raised to the power negative 3 over 4 by multiplication. So then 4 times negative 3 over 4, that gives us 2 over 3 raised to the power negative 3, and then x to the power negative 16 over 12 times negative 3 over 4. 4 goes into 16, x to the power 4 goes into 16 4 times, but there's a negative sign, and then 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4 times. Okay, then negative times a negative gives us a positive. So final answer, we have 3 over 2, because the 2 and the 3 invert, and then we change the sign, that's negative to positive 3, then x to the power 4 over 4, which is 1. So final answer, we can write it as 3 over 3 over 2 over 3 x, which is actually 27 over 8x. Okay, that's our final answer. Okay, very, very important. We apply the exponent to the power 3 to the exponent to the power 2, so that becomes 3 to the power 3 when we remove the bracket, and then also 2 to the power 3, because we distribute this exponent 3 by multiplication to each respective exponent for its respective base. Okay, and then this x is obviously having a relationship of multiply with 27 over 8, so that becomes 27 over 8x.